Americans. I don't know. We gonna get some nachos. Why do socks go missing when you do laundry?
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. I am Miss Jackson. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, what's up? It is Sunday morning. We've already had breakfast, as you saw. I did a little bit of my editing, so all I gotta do now is add music. Church is done, and I just got out the shower, all dressed up. Outfit for the day: sports bra with white pants. You know, kind of half tucked in, half not tucked in. Going for that look today. Hair is up and swooped. And yeah, I was just feeling blue today, and I want to be like big and comfy with an overshirt, so that's what I'm wearing. Me and my daughter is about to go to the Korean store and I think Target, because we just forgot a couple of items from the groceries. So yeah, we fell back an hour last night, so we got an extra hour of sleep. Lovely. It is now 11:43. Yeah, so let's just go on with the day. By the way, this lip combo that I'm wearing is I got this months ago. I just never tried it, but it's the L'Oreal Color Rich in chocolate. It's a lip liner that I'm wearing, and then I'm wearing my normal NYX gloss over it. And it's really cute. I tried it on the other day, and it's like a cinnamon color. It's enough to see that it's outlined. It's not the same color as my skin. I came off a little bit up there, but I like this lip combo. I think it's cute. So yeah, the white because my toes aren't done. Could be like pebbles.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight.
So I'm about to clean up this living room and vacuum it so I can put the tree in this corner. Getting rid of the old, putting up the new. I'm excited, so let's get it going.
And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
2 socks go missing when you do laundry? Like, it literally went from my hamper to the machine to my bed and I'm missing socks. Like, I only have 2 small loads. Things shouldn't be missing. My room is pretty simple. Why am I missing socks? I didn't mix them up with the kids. This makes no sense.
But yeah, it's real chill.
Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. I ended up working OT yesterday, so I didn't really vlog for any reason. I just worked out. I worked out yesterday morning. I worked out this morning. The areas I was focusing on these last 2 days was my stomach. So my abs is on fire. Thank you, Chloe Ting. I'm about to get in the shower right now, finish with my morning. These bumps on my face hurt, like they're tender. What does it mean when you get tender, sore bumps on your face? I don't know. But yeah, I just want to come out here and say good morning. Happy Tuesday. Y'all. Struggling. I'm gonna get in the shower. I'll catch you guys later. Hi you guys. So it's later on in the morning. I've already dropped off the kids at school. This is what I did for the hair for the day. I have a good 30 minutes before I need to go in, and this is the time I actually just kind of chill, read the lesson for the week. I'm done with the book, by the way, in the course, and I'm actually starting it over by myself. The classes are done at the church, so I just started the book over and took even more notes as I'm going along. So I wanted to point out something that I read in one of the chapters that I never got to emphasize on. By the way, I'm trying out this new coffee. It's eggnog flavor. I know half the world doesn't like eggnog, but I really like eggnog, so we're gonna see how this goes. It's not bad, it's perfect. Okay, so one of the examples in the book that I was reading was talking about farmers, and during the winter season they can get blizzards depending on the region they're farming, and during these blizzards it would be so hard to see the land in front of them, like from their house to their warehouse. You know, farmers have different housing bins for their animals, their feeding station. You know, they have different other pieces of farm houses that is aside from their actual house that they live in. Long story short, the blizzards can get so bad that they can't see in front of them, and farmers have actually frozen within a couple feet of their house because it's so much of a blizzard they can't see where to go, and they end up going in circles thinking they're trying to get indoors, and they actually freeze. This is a true thing. You can look it up. So what they told the farmers to do is, before the winter season comes, go ahead and tie a rope from your front porch to the next, I don't know what they're called, to the next farming house place. So like if the next farming house place is like, you know, 300 to 600 feet, tie a rope from your porch to the front door of that place, so when the blizzard happens, you can just hold onto the rope along to your next farmhouse. You know what I'm saying? So with that story, I was like, okay, obviously that connection is God. That string, that rope is God. And what I realized was that rope, that connection needs to get fed. In other words, for the longest time, I realized that my connection to God was like a thin piece of yarn. I was connected. I knew where I was going, but my connection with God was just like a thin piece of yarn in this massive blizzard. So me realizing that, I was like, okay, this yarn needs to turn into a massive rope that I can, you know what I'm saying, follow during this blizzard. So what I found out is inner corrections, aligning my personality, my characteristics, my habits along with Jesus and what he does and how he paid attention to God, how he dedicated time to prayer, basically aligning my life up with Christ fed that rope. And that rope is a thriving, you know, Wonder Woman kind of glowing rope. It can dim down. The storm can get really heavy. It's going to stay there. I know my rope is anchored, you know what I'm saying? But I want to continue to feed my rope, so all of a sudden it's just going to be just a big, you know, a big pipe. You know what I'm saying? Leading to the other house. I know this sounds crazy, but it just made so much sense to me. And I just want to share that everybody, even if you are connected with God, you feel you have a, check out your rope. Your rope might be thin. It might be as thin as a shoestring. It might be as thick as a boat in the harbor, you know, the anchor boats or whatever. But the point is me realizing my rope during the blizzard was very thin. Even though I was connected to God, it was thin. I need to feed my rope daily so my rope can stay strong and holy, like Wonder Woman's lasso. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to get on here and share that because I thought that was a really good story, really good example. I'm trying to figure out, why does my bane crimple up like this? Like, I pressed it and it was fine. It's not hot. I'm not sweaty, but you see how it just like crimples back up as it's just thickening out? I don't understand that. Like, that part won't get thin. But anyway, yeah, I have time. I'm just watching videos on YouTube right now. I have to check my mailbox. My sister sent me a gift, so I have to go do that. I don't check my mailbox every day like most Americans. I don't know who does. I don't check my mailbox every day. I check it about once a week, maybe twice a week, because everything I do is digital. Only thing that comes in the mail is junk mail, coupons I don't use, crapola. And I only look in the mail when I know I've ordered something, and half of that comes to my door anyway. So, but I think this is in the mailbox, so I'm gonna go check it. I was supposed to work OT tonight, but since they switched me yesterday, the rest of this week I have no OT and I'm off this Saturday. What was supposed to go down last Saturday didn't. We have another opportunity this Saturday, so we're going to see if that goes down. If not, I still got other plans. It's all good. I'm just happy. When you work OT all the time, you really take the time to enjoy your weekends and the time off, because it's like, I don't know. Life gets exciting when you have time. That makes sense. So anyway, I'm about to just sit back and relax for the next 20 minutes before I actually have to go to work. Back after this Tuesday. I'm not really in the mood for tacos. Believe it or not, I'm not in the mood for birria or tacos tonight. So we're going to see maybe nachos. I might be feeling some nachos. I think I'm feeling nachos. We're going to get some nachos. See y'all later. Okay, so this is the makeup look for the day. Just that same old burgundy. Oh, look at that nonsense. This is why I hate mascara. Do you see that? How it's just like Yeesh. Much better. Anyway, so this is the look for the day. I don't remember what I was going to come in here and even say. I have something else to say. I can't recall. Bye! Wednesday night, I was supposed to do my toes because I got home early enough. I'm not working OT, but it's something about a cold house and getting in your favorite PJs and just getting warm and fed. It just makes you want to get into bed. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, that's better. So right now, yeah, like I said, I was going to do my nails because I got home early enough and there was food already made for us, so I didn't have to cook. It's like I said, it's something about getting in your bed, warm and cozy in your PJs when it's cold outside. You don't want to do nothing else. Like, it's dark. I don't know about anybody else, but when it's this dark outside this early, I'm ready to get into bed. So I'm just gonna have to save my nails for the weekend if I'm not too occupied, or at least Friday night. That way I can go into the weekend with some nails and some pretty toes, because my toes are horrific. My toes look like bear claws. Like, they're hurting me. They're hurting my shoes. It's time to get it done. But yeah, so I'm about to just sit here and relax. I'm gonna take advantage of just being lazy and relax for the rest of the evening until I fall asleep. You guys have a good night. Hi guys, it is Friday night. The week was pretty good, pretty mellow for the most part. This time difference, I'm getting home and it's dark and it's cold, and I instantly just want to get in my warm PJs and get in bed. So I haven't been vlogging because once I come home, I'm doing just that. I'm spending time with the kids, I'm eating dinner, and I'm in bed. And we have this thing where we watch certain Christmas movies around this time. So last night we was watching, no, earlier in the week we was watching the cartoon Grinch. Last night we was watching the Polar Express. We didn't finish, so I'm watching that right now. They'll watch it later. But yeah, just like a countdown of all the Christmas and classic holiday movies. Aside from that, my week has been pretty good. I have been able to maintain my communication, my bonding time with God. Remember the 2-minute time with God? I still do that at least once a day. This week, normally my reading time that I actually study has been my breaks or my lunch time, but this week, all of my lunch and breaks, I kind of been busy. I had calls to make. I had family to call. You know what I'm saying? I had to go home on my lunch break. Like, other things was happening to where I couldn't really sit and study. So this week I only remember I said I was rereading a book. So I started off on chapter 3. I haven't gone through chapter 3. I'm basically still in the beginning of chapter 3. I'm rereading the book. So it's literally on my time. I'm just trying not to let life consume me, because I've actually had some testers happen to me this week. Different emotions want to throw me here and there, but I still felt that peace that the Holy Spirit has given me through these situations. I love the fact that I'm able to recognize it and then be like, okay, Satan's trying to play this. So let me hit him with the word. So that part is all gravy. Haven't really. I've been cooking, but not, massive meals, just little quick meals to get here and there. My appetite has shrunken a little bit. Like, I'm still eating low-key what I want, but it's just not a big amount. And then the kids are feeding themselves. My daughter made a shrimp pasta last night. I don't even know how it tasted because I was knocked out. But yeah, she made a shrimp pasta for her and her brother. And yeah, it's Friday night. I'm not working this weekend, thank God, but low-key busy weekend. The kids' side of the family is having a pre-Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow at 3. They're supposed to bring dessert, so I have to wake up in the morning, go get their dessert, and then have them cook it so they can have that ready. I know I want to go running tomorrow. And then if I don't get swept away for the weekend, I need to go visit April, the girl that does my hair, to have a consultation, because y'all, this ain't doing too good, not one bit. Nope. Not one bit. So I need to have a sit down with her and find out what we want to do and if we can do what I want to do, because what I want to do is dreads. Because I don't want to take care of it no more. I'm just going to keep it real. I don't want to take care of it no more. I'm tired. I'm annoyed. I don't care no more. So, and And then, yeah, if I don't get swept away, then the rest of the Saturday is pretty much probably going to just be here. I need to do my freaking toes. They're literally like, which is crazy because if I get swept away, I can't even show my feet. Oh. Anyway, so I am going to do my toes. I might as well go ahead and do my nails because I want them done for Thanksgiving. That's going to happen. So more than likely that'll be Saturday afternoon if I don't get swept away. Sunday, it'll be the beginning of a new vlog, so we'll just see what's happening there. But that's pretty much. I wanted to announce also that I think I'm gonna change the title of my videos. Instead of weekly vlogs, they're gonna be just like the weekends, because right now Tuesday through Thursday I'm not really, you know what I'm saying, I'll show you what I might cook, but that's not really, you know, showing the day in my life of what's going on. Majority of what I'm showing is a Friday through Saturday and then a Sunday through Monday. It's mainly the weekends, and during the week I'm in my own little routine with my kids and my Bible study. Like, I'm in a zone. I go to work. I'm not one of those YouTubers that sit at home and do shopping on new. I go to work. I have a routine in life. So I think I'm going to change this to the weekends because most of the vlogs are over the weekends. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Y'all was here for creation. Okay, so right now I am happy it's Friday. This week has been not bad, just it's hard to explain. I'm thankful, thanking God. Yeah, I don't have anything else to talk about right now. I'm gonna just go grab something to eat, get this makeup off my face. I'm letting my eyebrows grow back because if you look closely, they're kind of butchy. So when I let them grow back bushy, I can reshape them better. You can see the little hairs going back. That'll be all cleaned up by Thanksgiving, trust. It's just when I let them grow in, like that mistake right there, that bald patch, it'll grow in to be fuller. So anyway, yeah, that's all I have to talk about right now. Outfit for the day, just a little gray suit. I want to be comfortable today because, like I said, I'm not showing my feet because they're not done. My hair is pulled back. I'm going to go see my hairstylist just to have a consultation to find out what we can do, because I think I have a sore patch in the middle of my head where it's breaking out. It's sore. We're gonna figure this out. But outfit of the day, smell is of course the ebony woods. So yeah, I'll just catch up with you guys later.
Turn down for what? Yeah. King, turn down for what?
100 bottles and it's
So
all
I'm with your Bugattis, pulling out Maserati. I'm deep in the lobby. I'm looking at us, we wildin', we getting money over here. Yeah, we popping bottles over here, yeah. We turned up, turn down for what? 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 Yeah.
I'm feeling like a millie right now. Speeding in that Rari uptown. Best believe it's going down. $1,000 frames, no shade. I ain't gotta say no names. Best believe I'm getting money. Big face hundreds. I hear in Miami, first class trip to London. Sipping champagne on my way back to Cali. Gangsters on call just in case it gets messy. I know the shit didn't see me turn down, but I tell them turn down for what? Bartender, can you bring another round? 100 bottles and it's all
I'm
on
with your
now.
Bugattis, pulling out Maserati. I'm deep in the lobby. I'm looking, we wildin', we getting money over here. Yeah, we popping bottles over here,
phone ring, cause I could hear the money calling. Popping bottles of rose, stunting no like ice. And I told you I'm power, so you should already know. We got more weight by the cases, oh yeah, we finally made it. Toast to the good life we live in, vacation, private location. Honestly, they wanna see me turn down, when I tell them turn down.